Welcome. Today I'm with OPPO A54 5G and I will show you how you can put tempered glass on the smartphone. So as you can see, as you can spot on this smartphone, we got factory installed foil, and you can remove it, but you can also leave it and put on it tempered glass. So you have to decide what you want to get. I'm going to put on this foil tempered glass. So let's start, and at the first you have to also get a very good source of light to see every mess that you have on the screen or on this foil. Next, you can move simply to your tempered glass. So when I open box with tempered glass, for sure I can find glass and wipes. There we got the wet and the dry. And also you can use something like paper towel. I will show you what we are going to do with this one. Let's start by using wet wipe, and sometimes happen that this wet one is dry. So what you have to do, use something like the window cleaner, and you can just apply this cleaner a little bit on your wipe. Then simply clean your screen. You can make gestures like that in the circle. So reach every corner and edge. And as you can see right now, it looks much better. Next we can use to the dry one. Okay, and just take a look. Right now it looks much better. And let's use this towel. And as you can see right now, we can spot the difference. Okay, as you can see right now, it's almost perfect, but we got still here some piece of the dust, so we have to remove it with the dry wipe. So just wipe with your wipe just like that. You can also use the duct tape or any stickers that you have, but you can also make it by using this wipe like I do. Okay, and when you're sure that everything is fine on your display, you can grab your glass and you have to take off this foil, this sticker. So just like that, as you can see, the foil comes with the sticker, but sometimes it doesn't follow, so you have to put your fingernail underneath this foil and remove it manually just like that. And be sure that screen is fine at the last time, and put your glass just like that. So put it just like that. Keep holding the bottom part, and when you put correctly the upper section of the tempered glass, just put this bottom part, and you can swipe just like that with your finger from one of the edge. And as you can see, it goes almost automatically, so you don't even have to do anything. When you got some kind of the air bubble, you can just remove it by using your fingernail. So we have to press from one of the side. And let's use this wipe another time. Okay, and as you can see, it's finished. And right now we can use our device. And right now we don't have any problem with the touch interaction, even when we got on the screen foil and tempered glass. So we don't have to be afraid of that. As you can see, everything works fine. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.